I joined Walkerscott in August 2012, made up the 3 directors, and now I'm currently the CEO of Walkerscott today.
Blair and I have worked together for close to 15 years. We've always got on fantastically well and had a passion for helping businesses.
Walkerscott was an idea in our minds for quite some time before it formed into entity. We were working together to deliver solutions to clients, and then it really came from there into being.
I grew up in a family business and have always had a passion for making business better.
Working with Jono's been a real experience and a journey, and he's been a bit of the yin to my yang. We've got a tagline, making clever happen. I quite often laugh at him and say, I'm the clever, he's the making it happen.
It's great working with Jono. He's got a vast technical knowledge and he has a passion for learning new technologies.
Working with Paul's fantastic. I kind of think of him as our reins. He's our guidance. He steers us and leads us, and really taken Jono and I and the Walkerscott journey in a direction that it needs to go to be what we want it to be.
It's interesting working with Blair. His brain works faster than any other human I know, and he's just a constant source of new ideas.
You know, working with Paul every single day, having access to Blair all the time, sending him ideas. It's so good just to have them available and there just to listen.
Blair, Paul and I think it's really important to lead by example. We work side by side with the people in our business to deliver outcomes for our clients.
So the journey we've been on as a business has led us through many technologies, and today we're landed as a dedicated Microsoft Gold partner because we know that it's the right technology for our clients.
The cool stuff that we do is knowing that we can use the latest in technology to solve business problems that are really going to improve how people actually work in their day-to-day jobs.
When we come in, it's not about using a particular technology or buying another tool, but rather it's just trying to understand what works best for them at that stage of the journey that they're in.
We've created an environment that empowers our people to really get out and achieve what they want to achieve, and we found that that just enables them to ensure that our clients get great solutions and our people are happy in doing it.
We're working on cutting edge technology, and I think the most important thing is a real freedom to experiment as well.
I think it's the culture that we're trying to create here in terms of the sharing. You're not in it on your own. It's not just about we're bringing you in with these skills, go do this stuff. It's about how collectively are we going to get to where we need to go, but also where the customer needs to go.
As a team, we work hard to achieve results and love to have fun at the same time.
It's great leading the Walkerscott team. It's an amazing diverse group, diverse in personality, diverse in culture, and diverse in skill set. It's a fun melting pot.
If you're looking to progress your career around Microsoft technologies with an organisation that's growing, is exciting and exploring the latest and greatest technologies, we're the organisation to do that with.